I'm gonna show you some items from Trader Joe's that are good like cheat day or holiday snacks. First I got maple pecan clusters, and I just bought almond milk. This is a good like appetizer. Tempura cauliflower, which is like chicken wing but cauliflower, so vegan, I think. Ice cream, chocolate covered cone. Cinnamon rolls. Grapes, I love grapes as a dessert. Spinach artichoke dip. We got 3 of these no joke ginger shots, and then 1 turmeric and apple cider vinegar, which has a lot of health benefits. And then oranges, onion, grapes, butter, veggies, dumplings, more veggies, bananas, and more veggies. It's just like the gist of stuff. That's it. Okay, so I have to take everything in this, put it in my car. It's gonna be fun. Okay, it's not gonna stay, but Merry Christmas. It is Christmas morning, December 25th. I'm traveling to Pennsylvania to see my brother, and I packed up the whole car in the back. I showed that before. Oh, the battery is low. Alright, so today's just a traveling day, and we're gonna see what happens, but lighting is awful. I'm so sorry, but travel day vlog on Christmas, so we're gonna see how this goes. The car's packed. That's for my dad, who just had surgery, so he's to the front, my mom and my dog, and there's like 1 seat in the back, so fun.